Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin, I'd just like to say, rest in peace to the Panasonic camcorder. It doesn't want to focus anymore. So, all future streams will be looking sort of like this. I might touch up the colors in the future. But this is actually from an even older camcorder. Alrighty. Welcome back to another video. Today, my computer is getting an upgrade. That's right, $220 later, I'm shoving in my computer a GTX 970 and 16 gigabytes more RAM to a total of 24 gigabytes. If you're wondering why 24 and not 32, watch the setup update part 3. Anyways, this is going to let me play more games, including finally being able to finish off Half-Life 2 VR, and maybe for the first time, Phasmophobia in VR. I've actually already gone ahead and tried that. It is fun. Anyways, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, alright. RAM's arrived. Let's put it in. Okay, right, plan of action is this. Since one of the sticks are dead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both sticks out, move one stick over, put the new sticks in, fire it up, and see what NeoFetch says. Okay, that's in. Now to get the new sticks in. G.Skill Ripjaw 8GB DDR3 sticks. So like that. Okay, that doesn't make as much of a sound as what I'd hope would happen. Let's get stick number 2 out. Let's find him. See, I think that's it. Okay, alright. That's new sticks in alongside one of the old ones. Fire it up. Pass it on. Turn the computer on. Hopefully, eventually. Yes. We have signal. We have booting. Alright, good. She boots. Move the mic out of the way. Let's check NeoFetch. 16 gigs. Okay.
The stick that's in there now is the bad stick. Alright, good to know. Alright. Oh well. Bad sticks come out. New sticks gone in. Do we have 24 gigabytes of RAM? And then boop. What? 16 gigs? Huh. Okay, right, I'm back. Yes! Yes! 24 gigs of RAM. No, not you, Steam. This 24 gigs RAM. Yippee! Alright. Now, the next part is to wait for the graphics card to arrive. Okay, right. It's been a few days. The graphics card has arrived. And I have Yandel with me. Alright, let's... where's the pocket knife? Okay, you know what? There's some scissors there, that's good enough. Let's unbox this thing. Has it got gas in it? Is there a fuel valve? Alright. Alright. We have a box. We have a box with a card in it, hopefully. Let's see. Oh baby, it's there. Oh baby. I present to you the GTX 970 Gamer Edition. All I know is that it's faster than my 750 Ti. It's got, looks like it's got NVLink for SLI, and it has more VRAM too. So that'll be good for Linux. Alright, I'm going to put that there. I'm going to shut my computer down. Let's, alright. Let's get that computer disconnected. We have the table that I made myself. Let's see. Screwdriver. Handy. And the computer. Okay, first order of business, I just want to take off the side panels. Attempt to unplug. There we go. Next step, get the old GPU out. No, I don't want to lose any of those screws. take this back plate off. Take that off. And that off. Oh. Okay, there it is. 750 Ti is out. I'm going to put that. Okay. Oh. Grab the new 970. Okay. It's in. Okay. Now it's on. It's in. This. Next step, power. Okay. Right. This is really annoying. And now I've lost focus. Hold on. Okay, I've regained focus. I'm trying my very best to get the cable. So I've got some good news and bad. Oh. Hey, Andrew. I've got some good news and bad news.
What?
The good news is that the graphics card fits.
And? What's the bad news?
I can't get the power cable to reach the graphics card.
Oh, bro. Did you figure it out or no?
No, I'm still working on it. If I can't do this, I'm completely and utterly buggered. You're still on your phone, right, Handle?
Yes.
Here, have a look at this. So that needs to go there.
How is it not reaching though? Oh.
Yeah, just doesn't reach. Let's go on. Oh, hold on, that's why. That's upside. Oh, wait, bruh. I was trying to plug it in upside down the entire time.
Oh, bruh.
Okay, now it reaches. Okay. Good news. Everything fits. Everything fits. It's all in. Yes. All right. Now the next step.
What?
Plug it in and turn it on.
Okay, hold on. Let me switch back to console and I'll join you back in the call real quick, right?
Okay. Let's get the table away. farewell table. You've been of exceptional use today. Moments of truth. Yandel, are you ready?
What?
I'm going to turn the computer on now. Okay, so far so good. Nothing's blown up yet. Fans are spinning. Come on. Oh. Yes!
It works?
We have life.
Hell yeah.
Alright. It's booting. New fetch. GTX 970. Yes.
It works?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Well, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like and maybe subscribe if you want.
Hey, unsubscribe.
Really? Alright. Cue the outro.